Today we're going to talk about comfort zones. Sitting here in the garden making this video, लोगों की balconies है मेरे सामने, but it's okay. This video is exactly about that. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika, and today we're going to talk about comfort zones. I think I am out of my room, so I am automatically out of my comfort zone sitting here in the garden making this video. लोगों की balconies है मेरे सामने, वो देख भी सकते हैं मेरे को, शायद देख भी रहे हैं, but it's okay. This video is exactly about that. So why I want to talk about comfort zones and how to get out of them is because I went to a YouTube event, the Creator Collective. It was my first Creator Collective, and वहाँ पे this was my third YouTube event, and every time when I go not knowing कि I will know someone or I'm going to meet someone. So each and every time I go, I am stepping out of my comfort zone, knowing कि मैं किसी को नहीं जानती होंगी. But then पहले 2 times में I always used to find someone in the first 1 to 5 minutes only, and I would have been at ease कि okay, now I don't have to pretend to talk on my phone or look. This time 5 minutes passed, 10 minutes passed, nobody, and the atmosphere is very lively, exuberant, सब एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं and I have nobody to talk to. So stage 1 of getting out of my comfort zone was saying yes. Ask yourself, is this something that will help me grow, and that is just why I'm scared because this is something new? Or ask yourself if this is something you're getting negative vibes from, if this is not something that is feeling like you or aligning with what you usually are like. So be real with yourself. Now stage 2 is fight or flight. You have to decide, and starting के 10 minute में I chose flight. Every bone in my body wanted to choose Madhumakhi. No, not choose Madhumakhi. I see a Madhumakhi, but every bone in my body wanted to just leave the event. I was like, oh my god, why am I here? So I did the smartest thing that anybody could ever do. I went to the washroom, and for 15 minutes मैंने अपना एक Netflix का एपिसोड जो आधा रह रहा था वो कंप्लीट किया वॉशरूम में, and then I went out because it was the time when the event was to start. So I was like, अब तो सब everyone will go inside, we have to just go inside and sit. It still did not start. Now stage 3 was I just had to accept the situation कि okay, you know what, I am here for a reason and I get to be here. You need to switch कि मैं यहाँ क्यों आ गई से oh my god, I get to be here. So whenever you're doing something uncomfortable, maybe switch from a place of why is this happening to me to I am grateful to be here. So once you accept the situation, we need to make the best out of it. So in my case, in the event, हमें ये एक पूरी checklist मिली थी in which there were tasks that we had to do. So पहले तो जब मैंने वो checklist देखी थी, I was like, इसमें से मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I was very like, I am not going to do this to it. But then now I was like, you know what, I am just going to start. So even though I had nobody to do it with, I still did it. वहाँ पे activities थी कि you had to throw in a basket and then you had to write your own bucket list, and हमें video बनाना था एक जगह पे. तो I'm so stupid, I recorded everything in vertical format. मैं इस vlog के लिए कर ही नहीं पाई. Forgive me guys, I'm stupid and I was just out of my comfort zone. Okay, पहली बार में मैंने बास्केट मार दी. बकेट लिस्ट में मैंने बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें लिख दी. As I was ticking off everything and I was completing things, I felt confident. I felt like I was having fun because I started to get so positive by doing all of that. I started meeting people naturally. Stage 5 is stay positive and something positive will find you. Manifest है जितना भी कर लो, अगर you're not living it, you're not taking any sort of action and you're just in a mode where you're scared and you just want to leave. For everyone अलग अलग situations में अलग अलग तरीके के thoughts आते हैं कि you also compare yourself, but you don't do that if you start working on your checklist. So now that I was talking to people and I was feeling good about myself, all these पहले तो Googlers, like the people who work at Google, जो वहाँ पे they were organizers or it was just their office, because we were in the Google office जहाँ पे ये event हो रहा था. So many of them recognized me. We clicked pictures and everything just started flowing. So why I also wanted to use this small example of just this event I went to, it made me realize so much about comfort zones, because the feeling I felt before, like in the first 5-10 minutes of wanting to just get out of there, just give yourself time. That is stage what stage what stage 6. Do a little self talk. अपने आप को कम कहीं नहीं समझना है. एंड अमंगस्ट ऑल यूट्यूबर्स, इवन बिग यूट्यूबर्स, जब आप बाहर होते हो, आप अपना कैमरा निकाल के यूर टेकिंग वीडियोस ऑफ योर सेल्फ एक्सेट्रा, ऐसा लगता है कि भाई सब तुम्हें देख रहे हो, यूर इन अ ज़ू बेसिकली. वहाँ पे ऐसे रिलेटिवली आउट ऑफ प्लेस नहीं लग रहा था. दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू से. पता नहीं मैं कहीं भटक गई यहाँ पे. देयर वाज दिस कस्टम काउंटर जहाँ पे यू कुड मेक योर ओन बोल. सो आई मेड दैट and it was fun, and I took videos and everything started looking good. मैं हमेशा देखती थी बाकियों की stories of an event, but there's just so much that happens तुम्हारे अंदर. So I just want to share that with you because you should know, like I'm representing all of us in a way. Now this event wasn't just another YouTube event. It was, so Creator Collective is a big thing. Like it happens in every state. For regional creators, for big massive creators, it happens in New York and everywhere. So यहाँ पे there were a lot of like global heads, marketing heads of brands like Coca-Cola, Domino's and Airtel, all of these big, KFC, all of these big companies, and all YouTubers were assigned one brand and a time slot, and you had just 5 minutes and you had to prepare an elevator pitch to give to these brands and their marketing teams. So I did not expect this पहले तो. So wherever you are, whatever you choose to do वहाँ पे, if things are changing or you know it just starts to get real for you, challenge yourself even harder. And we don't play small, okay? We're not quitters, because अब तो आ गए, अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can just give our best. So मेरे को एक brand allot हुआ, and then when I entered the room, there were multiple tables and every table was of each brand, and उनकी सारी marketing teams were on that table. So you had to go in and pitch yourself. तो मैंने पीछे देखा, मेरा ब्रांड जो allotted था उसका हो गया था. मैंने देखा तो जो एक और ब्रांड था उसका टेबल खाली हो गया था. I went there also. My thing is, एक बार comfort zone से बाहर आ गए तो बस चप्पल उतार के वहाँ पे चौकड़ी मार लो. You know, I went there, I pitched. It was fun. How it will turn out वो हमें पता ही चल जाएगा. मैं बता दूँगी कुछ बढ़िया होगा तो. पर at this point I had no shame, you know, and it would have never happened if I had just decided to take my goodie bag in the first 10 minutes and leave. Yeah. So if अगर मैंने कोई चीज़ सीखी is to try. You know, just keep trying, because the least you can do is try. अगर try नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा? Now this was one instance where I stepped out of my comfort zone and I felt so good after that. There will be multiple things, maybe, of course, in the future where I will say yes, and then I will have to navigate that. But these stages, the ones that I discussed, will be the ones to help me navigate that, you know. But the last stage of getting out of your comfort zone is evaluating what I'm doing right now. Evaluate if you feel good about what you just did, if you feel confident about trying something new, or if you felt like this was not you, that it did not feel like you, it did not feel like something you want to do again, and respect that. कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना एक चीज़ होती है, बट पुटिंग योर सेल्फ थ्रू थिंग्स ज़बरदस्ती, इवन दो इट डज़ नॉट फील लाइक योर सेल्फ, इज़ समथिंग जिसका आई डोंट थिंक उतने पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स है, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आफ्टर डूइंग एनी थिंग यू शुड बी फीलिंग गुड. सो जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट कि ये करके हाउ डू आई फील, डिड आई फील लाइक आई मेड अ स्टेप इन the right direction, did I learn anything from that? And चाहे बुरा हो या अच्छा हो, जैसा भी experience हो, you will learn something from the experience, right? So yeah, these are my 2 cents on comfort zone and getting out of it. And this is what helps me. If you take away something cool from this video, do let me know in the comments. And एक और चीज़ बोलनी थी, इफ़ आई हैड ओवर थॉट अबाउट दिस वीडियो वुड नेवर मेक इट, बिकॉज आई वुड जस्ट थिंक कि ये कॉन्वर्सेशन बैठ के सुनेगा, कितने लोग सुनेंगे. आई शुड स्ट्रक्चर अ गुड टाइटल एंड आई शुड स्ट्रक्चर अ वीडियो and then do that. So let me know how you like this, not just sit down videos but in general. I want to be more candid. मतलब मैं होती हूँ अपने वीडियोस में, but candid as in डाल दिया. That would also help me post more than once in a week. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत comfort zone से बाहर निकल गई. Now I need to go back to my room. Okay, bye.